In this short video, I'll show you how to know who viewed your story on WhatsApp and share some hidden tricks to see hidden WhatsApp status viewers. Many people wonder, how do you know if someone viewed your WhatsApp story? It can be frustrating to post updates and not know who's watching, especially if they've disabled red receipts to stay hidden. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our experience, we've helped many users navigate WhatsApp's privacy settings, including finding out who viewed their stories in secret. Together, we're going to explore these simple steps that will reveal the hidden viewers of your status. Stay with me until the end to learn how to block and report someone on WhatsApp. Now, let's get started on how to know who viewed your WhatsApp story. The first method is to ensure that read receipts are enabled. This feature lets you know exactly who has viewed your WhatsApp story. To begin, head over to your WhatsApp, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, and go to Settings. Then, select Privacy and toggle on the Read Receipts option. This step is critical since it's the only way to track who's viewed your story. Next, post a status update by selecting My Status from the WhatsApp home screen. Once your story is live, check the small eye icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap the icon, and you'll get a list of contacts who viewed your story, even those who initially turned off read receipts. Another tip is to check for unusual patterns. If certain contacts consistently view your story first or comment quickly, they might be monitoring your updates closely. This is because, psychologically, people who are particularly interested in your updates tend to respond quicker and more frequently. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with more methods to know your WhatsApp story viewers. Lastly, if you want to hide your status from specific contacts, here's how. Head to Settings on WhatsApp and select Privacy. On some models, the Privacy section is directly under the Settings menu. Then, select Status. Finally, choose My Contacts Except. This step blocks certain people from viewing your story. It helps you control who sees your updates while protecting your privacy. But what if these people keep stalking and disturbing your peace, and you need to take further action to deter them? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll show you the easy steps to block and report someone on WhatsApp. Click to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.